Yo, what's up everyone? Today's August 20th. Caught another banger today. Caught these shorts. I'm 3 for 3 this week, so let's break down exactly why I ended up entering into this trade. So we'll go up here to New York Session Open. As we can see, off open, we just completely shit to the downside. Massive bearish candles here, sold off over 300 points to the downside. Obviously took out a shit ton of liquidity on this move down here. And so what happened was we ended up coming down and sweeping out this 4-hour low here. We ended up getting a reaction back to the upside and failing to move higher. So I'll flip into the 5-minute here. Actually, let's jump on the 4-hour and I'll show these draws on liquidity here. So as we can see, we had some 4-hour lows here we took out, 4-hour lows here we took out, and then had some internal 4-hour lows here. 4-hour lows are here. So tons of good draws, good areas for price to move into, but specifically on my trade, I was targeting this 4-hour low right here, which was also inside of this bullish fair value gap, this bullish 4-hour gap as well right here. So we'll drop back to the 5-minute, and as we can see, price after our massive sell-off, we finally got somewhat of a tiny reaction back to the upside. So price came down here and we held this low pretty well. We did not close below it and got this retrace into this bearish 5-minute gap right here. And as we can see, price failed to inverse that gap, failed to disrespect that gap. And instead of disrespecting it, obviously we respected it and moved back to the downside. So us failing to inverse this gap and respecting it told me that we wanted to move to the next draw on liquidity. We were not done yet. We didn't want to end here. We wanted to dump even more. So the next draw on liquidity was that 4-hour low inside of that bullish 4-hour gap. And now we'll flip back to the 3-minute time frame. As we can see here, after that small little retrace into the 5-minute, we get a insane reaction back to the downside. Really, really clean momentum on this 3-minute candle, as you can see here. And we had this bullish 3-minute gap, waited for that to get inversed, entered short off of this 3-minute inverse here, went break even at these internal lows and closed out of my position at that 4-hour low down there. And price moved super cleanly right to my TP. And obviously after that, we had a big reversal back to the upside. So that was our final destination on this big dump. Price wanted that 4-hour low, which was a pretty obvious draw. 4-hour low inside of a 4-hour gap. Always going to be a super strong area for price to move into. So yeah, 3 for 3 this week. It's been a good week, but obviously we're not done yet. We have 2 trading days left. It's important to stay super humble when you're winning and keep your head up when you're losing. It's all part of the game. You're going to go on winning streaks and you're going to go on losing streaks as well. So August overall has been a pretty slow month, so I'm excited that I was able to capitalize on these past 3 days, and I'm excited for the rest of this week. So I'll be back on here tomorrow with another recap. Peace.